Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we will talk about beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. First is the short pixie haircut. This is a very short and easy hairstyle. It is perfect for women who want simple and neat hair. Pixie cut is very low maintenance. You don't need much time to style it. It also makes your face look fresh and bright. This haircut looks very nice with natural grey or white hair. Next is the classic bob hairstyle. This is one of the most popular hairstyles. The hair length is up to the chin or a little longer. It gives a clean and elegant look. Bob haircut is easy to manage and suits all face shapes. You can keep it straight or add soft waves. Another beautiful idea is soft layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to your hair. If your hair is thin, this style is very helpful. It makes your hair look fuller and more lively. Layers also give a soft and natural look. If you have natural curls, try a short curly hairstyle. Curls look very beautiful and full of life. Short curly hair is easy to handle. You can style a little cream or keep curls soft. This hairstyle gives a cheerful and fresh look. Another great option is shoulder length hair. This is not too short and not too long. It gives you a soft and elegant style. You can tie it or leave it open. This hairstyle is perfect if you like a little longer hair. So these were some simple and beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. All these styles are easy to manage and look very elegant. Choose the styles that makes you feel happy and confident. Remember, age is just a number and beauty is always inside you. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this video you can see these very beautiful and attractive woman stylish haircut ideas for over 60. Older woman haircut ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women hairstyles. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.